Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Well, you do not have to be rich to own your personal flying eagle now. Here we go. You have to throw it. Simply a joy to see something. Radio control, flapping wings and flying. Okay, stop flapping wing please, you're in safe hands. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Nice bright sunny day today after a long time of raining. And yes, I am super excited in this video because I got here the hand-won GoGo bird eagle. Now you have previously watched my videos on hand-won GoGo bird, flapping wing Ornithopter, and that was honestly one of the best RC flapping wing bird, that is Ornithopter, that I have ever flown. And now I'm very excited and very happy to introduce you the new hand-won GoGo bird eagle, which is bigger and looks even better. Let's see how it flies. So first let me show you what comes inside the box, talk about its features, and I'll show you how to prepare it and fly it and see how it goes. Hand-won GoGo bird eagle is a single-handed operation. So one radio control in one hand only. This is fully assembled and disassembled structure. I believe they wanted to say it's a modular design, so you can assemble and disassemble it easily. Portable storage box. Yes, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna love that, how you can keep your beautiful eagle safely, carry it around, transport it or store it. Innovative gear structure. Carbon fiber frame, single wing lifted design, lightweight EPP foam body, and replaceable elastic polyester. Awesome. Check this out. This is what you are simply gonna love about it. The nice foamy carry case that has everything, including your GoGo bird eagle. So let me show you what's inside this carry case. It is really nice and cool, man. I love it. Right, so you have your quick start guide right here. Then you have a tail unit that is an elevator. You have a single-handed remote controller. I'm gonna give you a detail of this very soon. My GoGo bird eagle came with 2 batteries. This time they're using 7.4 volt 450 milliamp batteries. And then you have a battery charger. Now what I love about this battery charger is that you can charge the batteries anywhere. You don't have to be at home. So it has a USB-C input, okay? And you can basically use a power bank to charge the batteries anywhere in the field even. And you have a screwdriver and some screws, okay? And here is your eagle, the main fuselage, the main body of your eagle. Looks really nice, huh? Very nice, okay? And the wings are very nicely secured right here. If you look at the main fuselage, I like this cloth cover, yellow beak, very nice, very scaled design, and of course very scaled color scheme as well. Looks very realistic. On off switch is right here. Once you remember, you might want to take this off, and then you have to remove these screws on the body, and 1 here and 2 down here to install main wings and elevator. I'll show you. And the main wings will flap by going into these 2, okay, and this will actually make them flap. Down here you have a zipper belly, and this is where you will install the battery of your eagle. So we can actually do it right away. Alright, so I'm just gonna put the battery in and push it in. Now one thing I do find very difficult is to get the battery out. I have smaller hands, but I have to push my hands, my 2 fingers really nice and deep. Only then I can grab the battery. But anyway, the battery installs very well, and then you can install the battery cover right here. just like this. The battery cover fits in. There's a spring-loaded kind of button here, okay, and then pull the zipper down carefully, and your Eagle is basically powered now. Just you have to press the on-off switch. Now here is the elevator with 2 mini servos to control the elevator and to steer your bird around. Okay, so here is the single-handed operation radio control. You have on-off switch right here. You have flight mode, that is normal and fast mode, and you have return button. I don't know without GPS how it works, we'll find out. And you have circle flight, and you have volume control because there's a speaker built in here that will speak certain things, or like flight modes and stuff like that. Then you have 2 switches, shift 1 and up, and speed up, speed down, and left and right. And there's a detailed user manual right here, right behind the wings, okay? So don't forget to read this one. So let's assemble, and I'm just gonna use the supplied screwdriver just to see if you need any other tools or not, because the supplied tools should be more than enough. So first I'm gonna remove these screws. You can see it. 2 screws right here, long ones. Now do remember on the wing it says that this side is up, and then you can actually remove it. So I'm gonna remove this sticker and remove the on-off, because now I know where the on-off switch is. Just remember that these rods are gonna stay down, okay? So insert this part right here and this part right here, then add these screws. This right here will go in the middle of this, the wing part, and you will use a longer screw. One screw to take off from the top. Left servo goes to the left side connector and right servo goes to the right side connector. Slide it in onto that supplied area and put the screw in. There you go. The GoGo Bird Eagle is ready. Okay, so let's fly it. And before flying, make sure you push these wings all the way in until they click, okay? And this button is clicker. Some people will try to push this, just like I misunderstood. This was the speed up and down or start flapping the wings. No, press this one down, the joystick, and then it will flap the wings and you can fly it. So let's see how it goes. Wow. Look at that. Oh man, the turn radius is pretty long. Okay, hold on. Abrupt landing, I know, hold on. The fence is here. The turn radius is pretty long. I really don't want to fly it over the water, you know. But it's doing a really nice job. I mean, the way it's flying, man, it's really looking so beautiful. Beautiful. The right turn is taking very, very long. Man, it's simply a joy to see something. Radio control, flapping wings and flying. And you're controlling it just by one hand. Looks very, very real, man. Okay, almost crashed in my car at high speed. Let's try to fly it in quick mode. Here we go. You have to throw it. Please don't go over water. Don't go over water. Beautiful, man. It is very, very nice. Beautiful. I just don't know what to say. I am amazed by its flight performance, man. I love those sounds coming from the radio control. That is a very nice addition. Now let me show you how do you charge the battery on the field. So I need a USB-C cable. So USB-C, plug it here and plug this side here. Turn on your power bank. You have two LED lights on the charger, and now take the battery out. And now I'm really having fun with this Eagle. I crashed it and broke the cloth a bit, but it's still flying very well. So just put the battery like this, and both lights are on. This means it's charging. Now I'm gonna replace the battery. This is the new battery. Okay, and put the cover back on and put the zipper on. Awesome. Now let's turn it on.
Remote control connected successfully.
Remote control connected successfully. We are ready to fly.
Flight altitude 5 meters equals 15 feet.
So the right turn is pretty long, big radius, but I find the left turn is really very sharp, which is like kind of, it's always in a circle mode. I'm good at that. I'm good with that. I mean, I don't mind it circling around like that. So, you know, with the Hanawan birds, you have to learn to control them and how they behave, and learn to fly them. Like speed up, speed down. Only this way you'll learn to fly them. And once you know how to fly them, how to control how they behave, you're gonna be really happy with them. Flight altitude more than 10 meters. So what is it that's detecting the flight altitude in here? Learn to fly it nice and slow, just around me. Turn around, don't go over water, please. That was a beautiful turn right there. So I'll make a left turn. Come on, come on, looking beautiful. Looking beautiful, come on baby. Now that was a smooth landing. I didn't want to do that because it actually destroys the cloth, this polyester from down here. But yeah, threads coming out. But the body should be okay because it's EPP. And I want to practice landing it in hands. Okay. Circle mode. It just puts itself into circles beautifully, but you still have controls. It is actually also announcing altitude control, which is very strange. Does that mean it has some kind of GPS? Okay, stop flapping wing please, you're in safe hands. Well, there you are, your personal flapping wing ornithopter, the GoGo bird eagle, right here in my hands. Well, you do not have to be rich to own your personal flying eagle now. If you love having an eagle and flying it around, this is the bird for you. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button, it's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.